Hello everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. In this video I'm going to be taking you through the first few of the custom blocks available within Insight for WordPress. So to begin with, I'm going to create a blank page and we'll use this to demonstrate each of the blocks and how they work. To begin with, I'll just call it Demo Page. And as always, because we want to use WordPress Bakery Page Builder, we want to click the link at the top here to activate the editor. Once we're done, I'll pop in a section and a row, and we'll start by adding the first of the blocks, which is the accordion. Now, a few of these blocks here, you'll see an extra CSS class name field. This is mainly for developers. If you're looking to add your own styling, etc., you can give it a custom CSS class here. We're going to skip that, so we'll hit save, and we'll start adding accordion content blocks. These are very simple. You simply need to add a title and some content. So let me just give this a title and we'll get some random blurb. I'll hit save, and just for the sake of the demo I'll clone this a few times so you can see a few accordions in action. Okay, now we've added that, let's open the page, and you can see here we've got our 3 accordions all working exactly like you think. Okay, with that done, let's move back into the editor. We'll remove that block and we'll add the next one, which is the Breadcrumbs block. This one is extremely simple, as you would imagine. It just gives you a list of breadcrumbs for any your home page, any parent pages, and of course your current page. If you drop that in, if I refresh the page, you can see that's exactly what we've got. Nice and simple, very effective. Moving on now, we've got the blog feed. Now here you can choose to select how many posts you want to display, the post layout, the post offsets. If you want to skip your first couple of posts, for instance, you can use that. You can enable or disable the pagination. And finally over here you can choose to display a specific category of posts, or if you're using blog layout 3 for instance, you can specify the featured items. Now what I mean by that, if I just hit save and publish, you'll see we've got the blog title here, we've got the posts, the 6 posts, the pagination, etc. If we were to switch over to blog layout 3, you'll see this one has an area for featured posts at the top. Now what we want to do is specify a certain set of categories to display there. So I'm going to choose, say, featured. Wait for that to save. Okay, great. I'll just reload the page. And there you go. You can see right at the top here, we now have our featured posts appearing perfectly, the specific category we've chosen. So this is quite handy, if as it will mean the posts won't be displayed below, so you can have separate items here than in the rest of the feed. Moving on, for the final one for this video, we'll use the link card block. Now this one's quite flexible. You would have seen it used quite a few times throughout the demo data, but you've got various styles of link card, and well, yeah, just experiment with it and see which one you think. Now just to give you an example, I'll choose image, text and link. I'll pop in this image. I'll say title here, and I'll put some random text in. Here, as well as link to just a hash, that's fine. Now if I update the page and we take a look, you can see that's exactly what we've got. We've got the image, content, and a link that goes off to wherever specified. Now if I clone this and just choose a different layout for the card, so we can have this style here. and the entire card links off to the specific URL you've specified rather than just the link area at the bottom here. And you can obviously go for the background style as well. There are quite a few to choose from, but this just generally gives you an idea of how it all works. Okay, that's it for this particular video. I don't want to overwhelm you by putting loads in the first video, so we'll move on to the next few blocks in the next video, so be sure to check that out.